We have about 3 minutes left before the break, but here's where I want to leave people. Eric, I know that you've been in the forefront of dealing with something called rug rates.
Sure.
Okay. And what we all three of us work on is trying to avoid Medicare fraud. In 1 minute, talk to us about what concerns you about rug rates and, of course, what they are.
Well, rug rates are something that would be of great concern to a for-profit institution. It is essentially how these institutions get paid. Many nursing homes rely on government dollars to get paid, whether it be Medicaid or Medicare. When it comes to Medicare, there's something called a rug rate. And the rug rate basically allows the nursing home to ascribe a category to the level of care that a loved one is supposed to be receiving in the nursing home. Now, the more care that's needed for that loved one, the more dollars that that facility is going to make. So facilities have that pressure to try to ensure that they have residents that have very high rug rates. Now, whether that rug rate corresponds to the level of care that they're delivering to the resident, that may be something different.
All right, and that's where we uncover some of the frauds sometimes.